Chapter 3 Singular and Plural Nouns. What is a singular noun? Nouns which stand for one person, animal, place or thing are called singular nouns. Examples: tree, balloon. Nouns which stand for more than one person, animal, place or thing are called plural nouns. Examples: stars, tables. Plural nouns are formed in different ways. There are some certain rules. First is, we add s to most singular nouns to make them plural. Examples: gift. It is a singular noun. So we will add s and plural form of gift will be gifts. Book. It's a singular noun. We will add s and the plural form of book will be books. If the nouns end with s, ss, x, sh or ch, we form plural by adding es. Examples: glass. It is ending with ss, so we will add es and plural form of glass will be glasses. Box, ending with x, we will add es and plural form will be boxes. When nouns end with y and there is a consonant before y, we drop y and add ies. Examples: party, ending with y, before y t. T is a consonant, so we will remove y and we will add ies, so plural form of party will be parties. Baby, ending with y, before y consonant, we will remove y and we will add ies and the plural form of baby will be babies. When nouns end with y and there is a vowel form before y, we add s. Examples: day, ending with y, before y vowel, so we will not remove here y, we will simply add s and the plural form of day will be days. Key, ending with y, before y vowel, we will not remove y, we will add only s and the plural form of key will be keys. For most nouns ending with f or fe, we form the plurals by changing f or fe into ves. Examples: half, ending with f, we will remove f and we will add ves and the plural form of half will be halves. Knife, ending with fe, we will remove fe, we will add ves and the plural form of knife will be knives. Some nouns do not follow this rule. Examples: chief. It is not following that rule, so here we will add only s. Chiefs. Roof, roofs. Proof, proofs. Most nouns ending with o form the plural by adding es. Examples: mango. Do you like mango? So mango is ending with o, so we will add es and the plural form of mango will be mangoes. Potato, ending with o, we will add es and the plural form of potato will be potatoes. Some nouns ending with o form the plural by adding s. Examples: piano. We will add s, pianos. Studio, studios. Photo, photos. Radio, radios. Nouns which do not change in plural. They do not change. Deer, in the plural form also, deer will be same, deer. Fish, fish. Sheep, sheep. Aircraft, aircraft. Some nouns form their plurals in an irregular manner. Examples: child. The plural of child will be children. Ox, The plural of ox will be oxen. Mouse, mice. Let's recapitulate. Some nouns remain the same even in the plural form. They never change. Examples: sheep, deer. Some nouns have a special way of changing in the plural form. Examples: ox. The plural of ox will be oxen. Goose, geese. Some nouns form their plurals in a special way. Examples: mouse. Plural of mouse will be mice. Tooth, teeth. Nouns that end with ch, s, ss, sh, x form their plural words by adding es to the singular words. Bus is a singular word and we will add es, and buses will be plural form. Tax, taxes. When there is a consonant before the words ending with y, the plural is formed changing y into ies. Examples: army, armies. Cry, cries. When there is a vowel before the words ending with y, the plural is formed by ending s. Examples: boy, boys. Chimney, chimneys. Most nouns ending with o form the plural by adding s. Examples: piano, pianos. Studio, studios. Nouns ending with f or fe form their plurals by changing f or fe into ves. Examples: knife, knives. Wolf, wolves. Thank you. I hope you have understood this lesson.